Okay, let's dive in. We're looking at Venice AI today.
Right. They've been making some noise, primarily positioning themselves around privacy
Yeah.
and being totally uncensored.
Yeah, that's their big flag they're waving. Total privacy, fully uncensored AI chat. So our mission here is to kind of unpack that
See
promise.
what it really means, yeah. Look at the features, especially for power users. And then this new move into video generation.
Which sounds like it might complicate things a bit.
It certainly raises questions, but yeah, that uncensored angle, that's how they stand out. They're basically saying, come here for the AI experience without the usual guardrails.
Like you can explore topics that, the big tech models might shy away from or just block entirely.
Exactly. Niche stuff,
Yeah,
maybe controversial ideas, or just really out there creative prompts.
and you see it right away. Like the example asking about a non-human base on the moon.
Oh yeah, what was the response?
Just straight up, there is no confirmation of a non-human base on the moon, no hedging, no I cannot discuss conspiracies, just the fact.
Right, it sets the tone. This AI isn't going to lecture you or filter based on a predefined appropriateness checklist. It's raw.
So that raw experience gets you in the door. But what about keeping people, especially the serious users, the $18 a month pro plan? What's in it for them?
Okay, yeah, Pro Power Up. It's aimed at creators, learners, people doing actual work with the AI.
So more than just chatting.
Definitely.
Yeah.
You get private, unlimited text generation, first off. Then a huge number of image requests, like 1,000 per day.
1,000. Okay, that's serious volume.
And tools to edit and upscale those images. Plus, something pretty crucial, secure chat history backup.
Ah, so if you are exploring sensitive topics, your history isn't just floating out there, it's backed up securely.
Precisely. Privacy matters there, too.
Yeah.
And you get the newest models faster. You can turn off the mature filter if you want.
Right, keeping with the uncensored theme.
And you can disable the image watermark, which is nice for
Great.
creators.
Okay, unlimited text, tons of images, better privacy, no watermark. Makes sense. But one feature highlighted was folders. Creating folders. Is that really a big deal? Seems basic for $18.
It sounds basic, yeah, but it's actually pretty key for organization, especially with AI. Think about managing context.
So.
Well, if you're working on, say, a book or a specific art project, you can keep all the related chats in one folder.
So the AI doesn't get confused by chats about completely different topics.
Exactly. It keeps the context clean, helps the AI stay focused. It's less about filing and more about AI context management. An efficiency tool, really.
Okay, that makes more sense for complex projects, keeps everything tidy and the AI on track.
And there's some fun stuff, too, like creating and sharing custom AI characters.
Oh, right. And the public feed showing off art people have made.
Yeah, bit of community creativity there.
So that covers the current platform, more or less. But the big news is Venice version 2, or V2.
Right. This is their next major step.
Yeah.
Integrated video generation.
Video's the hot thing in AI right now. They say it's coming soon, 100 credits per video. Seems clear enough.
It does. But here's where that core promise of uncensored gets interesting.
Because video generation is complex, computationally expensive.
And the best models right now aren't all open source. So Venice V2 says they prioritize state-of-the-art open source video models. That keeps them on brand, freedom, openness.
Okay, makes sense. Stick with open source where possible.
But they also want to offer the absolute best quality, the cutting edge.
Which means?
Which means they're also enabling access to top proprietary models. Think Sora, VO, Kling, the big names.
And those models, being proprietary, owned by large companies, they come with strings attached, right?
Almost certainly. They'll have their own usage policies, their own built-in guardrails and censorship.
So if you use Venice AI to access, say, Sora for a video, the output you get back might not be uncensored. It could be filtered by OpenAI's rules.
That seems to be the implication. It presents a real fork in the road for them and for the user.
It really summarizes the tension, doesn't it? Venice AI is trying to balance its identity privacy, no censorship, with the practical need to offer top-tier, state-of-the-art results.
Yeah, they're essentially saying, we want to give you freedom with open source, but if you demand the absolute peak quality, we'll give you access to these proprietary tools, even if they have some restrictions.
So they're incorporating models that might compromise the core promise, but only if you opt for that absolute highest quality.
It's a strategic choice. They believe some users will want that peak quality enough to accept potential limitations.
So this brings up a really interesting point for you, the listener. You've got this platform built on being uncensored, going off script.
But now with V2 and video, If you want the most stunning, technically perfect output.
You might have to step back inside some of those guardrails, at least temporarily, by using one of the proprietary models they offer access to.
Exactly. It's a choice between maximum freedom and potentially maximum quality.
So here's something to mull over as Venice AI V2 launches. When you're chasing the absolute best AI output, that highest quality result, how much are you willing to compromise on total censorship freedom to get it? Where do you draw the line?